At NS Alti-Level, progress is no longer just visible, it's beginning to feel like home. Tower 1 has successfully completed all roof slabs, while brickwork, internal plastering, plumbing, and electrical conduiting are completed. External plastering is steadily progressing alongside parapet and finishing works. Staircase and lift room slab casting is completed. Tower 2 continues to rise rapidly. With the 10th floor slab is near completion, block work progressing on the 5th floor, and plastering work actively underway on the 3rd floor. At Tower 5, the foundation of the future is now firmly in place. Raft foundation work has been completed, while retaining wall at fire pump room, UGR, and reinforcement works are moving ahead with full momentum. Inside the clubhouse, the vision is becoming reality. Structural work has been completed. The AV room is ready. Firefighting systems work has been done, and false ceiling of first floor is done with interiors, have now started taking shape beautifully. And perhaps the most exciting milestone, the demo flat interiors are now in progress, bringing alive the lifestyle, luxury, and comfort that future residents will soon experience every single day. At NS Alti-Level, every floor, every detail, and every space is moving one step closer to your dream home above the ordinary.